In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and run reports in Zoho Books. Reports are where your accounting data turns into insights you can act on. So let's walk through the essential flow from finding the right report to exporting it for sharing or deeper analysis. I'll keep things simple and focused so you can follow along in your own Zoho Books account. Start from your Zoho Books dashboard. Look for the Reports option in the main navigation, typically on the left sidebar. Click it to open the reports home. This is your central library of all available reports, organized to help you quickly locate what you need. Next, find the report you want. You can browse through categories like sales, purchases, banking, and accountant, or use the search bar at the top if you already know the report name. If you're not sure which one to use, hover over a report name to see a short description. Choose the one that best matches the question you're trying to answer. For example, performance over time, unpaid invoices, or cash movement. For this walkthrough, open the profit and loss report. This is one of the most commonly used reports, showing your income, expenses, and net profit for a selected period. It's ideal for checking how your business is doing in a month, a quarter, or a year, and for spotting trends or unusual spikes. Once the report opens, set your date range. Use the preset options like this month, last month, this quarter, or this year. For quick selections, or choose a custom range if you need specific start and end dates. Make sure the period reflects exactly what you want to review, especially if you're preparing information for management, a board meeting, or tax time. If your organization tracks using cash or accrual preferences, confirm the view matches how you normally report, so your totals are consistent with your books. When the on-screen view looks right, it's time to export. Click the Export button, usually located near the top right of the report. This opens the export option so you can take the report offline or share it with others. Choose your preferred format, PDF or XLSX. Pick PDF if you want a clean, ready-to-share document with a fixed layout that's perfect for emailing or printing. Choose XLSX if you plan to sort, filter, or build your own summaries in a spreadsheet. After selecting the format, Zoho Books will generate the file and download it to your device. That's it. You've navigated to reports, found the right one, refined it with the correct date range, and exported it in the format that fits your workflow. Repeat this same flow for any other report you need.